Hi, everybody. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020. And today I wanted to do a little video and talk about bartering, specifically the idea of bartering your time with other developers to work on side projects. So this is an idea I've had in my head for a while. I've actually recommended it to other people before, even though I haven't done it myself until recently. Now, the basic idea is that you're a developer and you have a solo side project that you've been working on, and you want to bring other developers into the project to help get some extra perspective on the project. It's really nice to have somebody kind of there to bounce ideas off of, specifically like deeper into the code, getting people's opinion on things, and otherwise, making sure that the project is you're making good and healthy decisions in the project. And so a lot of us, we're working on these solo projects and we're, bootstrapping. We're not, we don't have the money to hire people outright. And so this idea is about trading your time. So bartering your time. And I'm talking about doing it with other developers, but if you were doing more of a business side project, I guess you could do things for like marketing and copywriting and things of that nature. But yeah, so this has been on my mind for a while. But recently I had a friend who is a consultant similar to myself, and they were talking about how their contract was up and they were looking for new work. I told them that I didn't have any paid work for them, but I had this idea about, doing some barter time trading to help, help my side project. And I know they had side projects. And so we talked about it and it worked out. And so we've been doing it for a couple of weeks now. I think we've met about 3 times specifically about this. And yeah, it's been really going well. Without going into the weeds of the details, they have a iPad app that they're working on. And so I'm helping out with general architecture advice. And specifically, there's a feature behavior regarding file persistence and migrating that file type, which I hope to blog about soon here on the blog. And then for myself, I'm asking them for help with Guildflow. They are not an Elixir developer, so basically the first thing that they've been doing is just doing a general QA pass of the application, creating a group, creating events, noting things that they feel are missing or are confusing. And then they've been working a little bit on the marketing website, just fixing some bugs and little things. And yeah, I think it's been working out really good so far. It's similar to masterminds. I've talked about masterminds on the blog before. And, it gives you that little sense of like accountability because you want to have something to show every week, and yeah, I just wanted to kind of throw it out there as an idea for people. Specifically with this one, like I don't expect this to last forever. Them being a contractor, me being a contractor, the idea that we have a new client come up and they get more of our attention and our side project maybe gets stalled for a little bit, that's kind of reasonable. And the other thing to kind of keep in mind is that it's not really about bringing other people on to your project to help with productivity, because there's always this onboarding cost of bringing people onto a project, and in these small increments, it's not really about productivity. It's about, as I said, perspective. It's about letting somebody come in, hear what you're doing and why you're doing it, and then giving you some feedback, either at a business level or a marketing level or a technical level. But I think it's a good idea. And right now we have a lot of people who are out of work, are underemployed, and maybe they're kicking off some side projects to help keep their mind sharp. And this is another way I think you can do that. Work on side projects, keep your mind sharp, networking with other people. I find it very interesting because this is the kind of environment that lets me get some real world coding time with a lot of friends and peers that I normally don't have that experience with, and I think it's helpful to do that, so that way maybe in the future down the road when we have an opportunity to do some actual business work together, there's like an understanding of how they work. And I mean, that's kind of a little like down the road type of thinking, but it is, one benefit I think of doing this barter time trading with lots of different people in your community. So yeah, that's it for today. Nothing too crazy, but just want to share and hope you guys are having a good day and a good weekend. And we'll have more to talk about next week. So see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.